Welcome fellas into this new video to Express. Today going to be focusing directly into the fast-paced montage, which is if you're still paying $100 for Leadpages or Wix just hosted leading package, you're going to focus it into generating an actual generation of landing page totally for free. So the blueprint and the tool selection. To make a landing page convert, it needs three things: the blind biologically fast load times and auto structure and compelling copywriting. Traditionally, you will have to write the code or a element drag and drop builder. But today we're going to be using, for example, Bold. Now Bold, which I think it's spelled bold.new. This website, these are the next generation of the AI developer tools that builds a full stack web application right inside your browser from a single text prompt. Basically, they both offer generous free tiers that lets you generate and deploy live websites to your free subdomain instantly. So the step number one, the secret of a great AI website isn't just asking for a landing page. You need to give the AI the actual converting wireframe structure. So here is the actual prompt of what you can actually do. The first thing I want to be focusing on is directly into the bold.new element. Now that we are directly inside here, what I'm going to be focusing on is into the what will you build today. Let's try this out once again. Alright, I'm gonna do this inside Cloud because the Bold is still working on it. So let's go for build a modern high converting single page landing page for, and you can focus for your product services. In my case, let's go for gaming captures. Then I use React Tailwind, really important, CSS, and usually I use the lucid icons. The design, this is the part where I wanted to talk a little bit about more the design, which is the design must be, in my case, I wanted to, let's say for example, clean, ultra modern, and highly optimized for mobile conversions. Why the process of this? Because almost everybody navigates into their mobiles nowadays. So you can, let's say for example, include the order of these sections, which is hero section, social proof, features. In my case, I'm not going to be adding benefits. I think testimonials are not going to be focusing on like that. You can focus for pricing, FIU sections, or footer. Let's go for footer only, and there we go. Now I'm going to copy this element and see if now I can paste it directly into the bold.new. Let's close this and see if this one actually works. Now we'll be asking me to sign in or generate an actual free account. So you can do this with GitHub or you can do this with Google. I strongly suggest you to sign in with a GitHub account so you can deploy your website into the future. Even if you don't have an actual GitHub account, it's totally for free, so you can do it so really fast. Once you have now processed that element, you hit into the element that says continue and just wait till the actual Bold works for us. So let's just wait a few seconds and see what happens. So as soon as you hit enter, the AI doesn't just sketch a design, it spins up a virtual developer environment that installs the frameworks and builds the page blocks by block. So look at the actual right side of my screen. Within the 16 seconds, we have a fully functional, animated, beautiful style landing page with modern, dark, or clean light mode. So now what if you don't like the color or you wanted to tweak the text? You don't have to worry about that. You can go, for example, make the hero CDI button post to draw more intentions and change the placeholder, copy, dimension, again, skin line. In my case, I think actually worked for me. So what I need to do is to hit into the element that says published. So if I hit for published, it will be analyzing publish your site. This will take an actual moment. The AI packages your entire landing page and hosts it globally into a lightning fast cloud network in less than 10 seconds. It hands you onto live totally for free. But I must tell you that in order to show this, or to have all of the actual packages so you can edit this somewhere else, you need to cost to actually have an actual paid plan in order to continue. Now, so a pro tip that I can give you is that because this workflow costs $0 and it takes minutes, you can use this to split test 5 different angles of hooks for your production simultaneously to see which one converts the highest before spending a dime into ads. So you might want to be taking that in mind. So there you go, guys. If you want the exact copy and paste prompt, you can let me know into the comments below, so I can be giving you that into the description or into an actual full video. So as you can see, this is the actual website. It doesn't look so bad. So you let me know into the comments below what you think about this actual website. If you have any questions, you can let me know into the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you all, guys, next time.